Wagwan bad people, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Chroniclaw, Blam Them, and Squash Mother. Yeah man, Blam Them and expose Squash Mother and attack a bag of things about Squash Man. So watch man, big up on yourself like always, and remember, leave a subscribe if you're new.
Bronx, we no take program. Foot, we no take program. We no take program. Them ask me say, I say you move dog. Make a fresh dopey and cool off. Two dog move off, smooth like moonwalk. Cool off. We no listen nothing name loose dog.
So Chroniclaw I say he make a fresh dopey, then him cool off. Me I wonder if a Malidan the entertainer attack. Because, Malidan drop a song named Froggy and this up Chroniclaw and we still await for Chroniclaw respond. So, me I wonder if Chroniclaw just a move on and just a focus on his individual career or him just a take a break from the clash. But the entertainer made that post like a day ago and you can basically hear what the entertainer has say. Him also made the post with a caption under it, as you can see, back to the bag. So that was the caption that was made under the post. So viewers and subscribers, just leave on the take in the comments. You feel like Chroniclaw just go focus on him career and forget the bag up, or him just take the break from the clash. Just leave on the take in the comments. You see me? Yeah man, because the clash can't done too early, and you see when them drop song every day, the clash I go done early. So say sometimes the artist them have to take a break. You see me? So yeah, just leave on the take in the comments what you feel about that.
When you suck out, well, that now dirty face. You know, so I look at dirty what these people boy. I mean, I like nothing about them. When you sick me to mock there and go to come to blood. I hate all big pussy Shelly. You used to fuck paper. Jamal Dunsman used to fuck Squash Mama. Pay a fucking dog eat and beat him left, go and center. Jamal Dunsman used to fuck Squash Mother. I man beat her to sickness. Beat him every day and get some blood clot lick. And then call G-Man Panny Man. And G-Man say, I'm not busy about to know, because you know that. Because them Dunsman a bad boy, they can't run for Dunsman. When Dunsman beat out in dirty blood clot, you have to take it. Jamal, we don't see just boss, it's a fuck Squash Mama. Big pussy, tell pussy Shelly. We kill the youth. We kill the youth, baby mother. We bear little youth, baby mother, if you have youth for yourself. See, it want to broke and work this over blood clot scheme. Because suck out to no mama. I say, me a dirty. I say, I don't know me a bum because I say me a drunk. I don't know say me a drunk a long time. I don't know say me a drunk. Me come from the worst set of family. So my family a drunk. I never like them sometimes. Where you think me give a problem? Because some of my family, when if they're dead, me not be about them. I don't like some of my family, man. Somebody a drunk. Yeah. Some of make him man them style me too. Some of my family figure suck out their mother too. Some of my family them can't go dead too. Some of them figure suck out no mother too. Some of them look a dirty low life family. Some of them they fuck the man them and they make him man feel that they must money. Oh. Go suck out to no mother. Oh. When I sound look a low life. Dirty drunk crown. What about chip chop? Me not tell you say chip chop a low life. Eh? Because me tell you that. Every day down at Miami Garden sit down. I show nobody no one kill him. They done traumatized already. Shop done broke up automatic and broke up in with the pipe iron, pop up in that too. Bust up in Zambia informer. Me say when Squash was Zambia and Bumbleclaw when him there. When the police them all Squash down a blood clot Miami. I hold him. And the Zambia say me now hold a charge you know. 6 bars I go take a one name, me not take you know. A Zambia me no name. Me never where one name we get all with Squash. Me don't even know any name. Me say me not take a charge you know. Squash have to go all a one you know. And the police them here pan the blood clot dash camera. So that's why you have to go prison. Paper. Me say when the police have all Bumbleclaw Squash with the chip black to Bumbo. When the name we get all the gun with Squash? When name? Comment in name. When they
I eat with them. Then come out call up one back a man name like then the man. You know say if all of them boy they say man a batty man a man. I know say I'm not the man them first customer. The love come call man batty man like you don't know about people. And when people contact the truth, but you know, you know, no feelings and no vex, because I want the world to say, you know, a big informer, for you know, no mama belly until now. I saw no tan, no wear drawers, man, no wear pad, on the body was leaky. Tell her again, say, no boy can't beat me, I straight love me get, and the G know, say, it's not like that. But never kill a soul a day in my life, no blood thin upon Shelly shoulder, you hear that? Get that blood clot straight. Yeah, mistake me for your auntie or your mother, your family, them. You see me? You have to talk about me if you have to get a fall, but guess what now? I'm not going to follow up you, you know, because I know for no mind game and for no tricks. I don't care what the fuck you say about me. No for no boy, you know, see period through no batty wall. I put on a G-string and a compound TikTok for contain them people. Why me? If you not talk about me, you can't make no money. You so rich and you still upon TikTok and tear down people. You don't notice me? I never play much. And much people send me. I mean, I accept it. I never come on TikTok, come beg a block or TikTok don't pay my bills. I never buy a soda out of TikTok. And the top rate pad on a batty wall and G-string, man. Second when they get them can't get no G-string. No come on for me because I'm not going no forward. No boy can't beat me. Get that shit. I not have to call nobody for defend no war for me. Bad for me one. You know, the man they must know call up people name. They really link with you, bro. And she said, you know, a big blood clotting farmer power. Oh, the man them. You see how you deal with people and still link with you. Same thing you go to them. Same way you go come call up their name and sit up your man them.
So that is it, viewers and subscribers. Like always, remember, leave a subscribe if you're not new and big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Shelly, I break silence while Blam them I expose the 6 camp. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. And remember, just leave a subscribe and leave a like if you're not new to the channel. Yeah, man, catch you in another one.